Good morning, friends. Now we will see about computer graphics basic concepts. What is mean by computer graphics? Computer graphics is pixel representation of data and manipulation of data by your computer. Right. So, what are the applications of computer graphics? So many areas are there. Computer aided design, which is nothing but CAD, presentation graphics, computer art, entertainment, education and training, visualization, image processing, GUI, graphical user interface. All these areas are used in your computer graphics, right? So next one, raster scan display, that is nothing but raster graphics. So what it mean? So raster graphics is nothing but, so let us see pearl or pixel. So pearl or pixel is each point in the screen is called pearl or pixels. In your system, each point is called it as pixel. Next one, frame buffer. So the picture definition to be stored in your frame buffer, that is the intensity information of each pixel is stored in your frame buffer. That means after getting all the information from the user, it processes the data. After that it will store the data into the frame buffer. After that it will display on your screen, right? That is one memory area, that is called it as frame buffer. So this is otherwise called it as refresh buffer, right? So next one, so raster scan display, it mainly works on CRT monitors, right? So example, so this is the electron beam, right? So this beam, the electron beam passes the screen from left to right, right? So this red color line is called it as electron beam. This passes the screen from left to right. So this is called one scan line, right? So again it passes from left to right, right? So this complete scan line is called it as one frame buffer. Okay, one frame, right? So the stored color values are retrieved from frame buffer and pointed one row at a time as a electron beam moves across the screen. So generally pathina two types of raster scan displays are there: horizontal retrace and vertical retrace, right? So horizontal retrace is nothing but the beam starts from the left corner. After finishing each scan line, it returns to the left side of the screen, right? So from this point to this point, the line crosses from this point to this point is called it as scan line. Okay, right? So from left to right, after finishing the right position, again it move to the left. Okay, so this is called horizontal retrace. Next one, vertical retrace, right? So vertical retrace means the electron beam starts from left to right corner. Again, after processing all scan line, it returns back to left corner. Okay, so this is called it as vertical retrace. That means the electron beam starts from top left corner of the screen. After processing all scan lines, it returns back to the top left corner of the screen to begin the next frame. This is called one frame. Resolution, it is the number of pixels in width height ratio. Example, a screen with resolution of 1024 into 1024 means 1024 columns and 1024 rows, which is the combination of 1048, 576 pixels. Bitmap, in black and white system, 1 bit per pixel is needed for the frame buffer memory. In this system, each pixel is set to on or off. For white display, electron will be on for particular pixel. For black display, electron beam will be off. Pixmap, in color system, this 24 bits is considered as a color values, right? So 24 bits per pixel with the screen resolution 1024 into 1024 needs 3 MB of storage for the frame buffer, that is 1024 into 1024 into 24 bits, right? So that you can get 3 MB of storage for the frame buffer for color system. Next one, refresh rate. So per second, how many frames processed? So that is called a refresh rate. The refresh rate of raster scan display is 60 to 80 frames per second. The refresh rate generally represents total number of frames processed per second. So next one, random scan display. So this one is otherwise called it as vector graphics. While considering the raster graphics, so that one is we can pass the beam from left to right. Again, you can start from left to right. You can repeat this process until you can reach the end in the screen. So this one is called it as electron gun. The gun passes the beam to the screen. The same concept, but here the randomly the gun will pass the beam, right? So example, first it will pass from this to this, that is the beam pass from this to this. Next it will move here, next it will move here. So wherever the images are present, the beam will pass that position only. So it is suitable for line drawing applications. Picture definitions are stored as a set of line drawing commands. Here the frame buffer is also called refresh display file, display program, display list or refresh buffer. The example of random scan display is CRT monitor pen plotter. This pen plotter is otherwise called hard copy output device. Refresh rate. So I already told what is meant by refresh rate. It simply represents total number of frames processed per second. Here in raster scan display, it will take 60 to 80 times per second. But in random scan display, it will take 30 to 60 times per second. Next, advantage of random scan display. The advantage is it have a higher resolution, and the disadvantage for the random scan display, it is not suitable for displaying the realistic image. Thank you.